Okay, hello everyone. This is your internet friend Adefila Adenika. I'm here at the Fearless Entrepreneur Mastermind and Retreat, and today happens to be the last day. And for the last past 3 days now, it has been a great time with Dr. Ope Banwo. He has given us a lot of nuggets and a lot of ideas on how to go about launching products, having an idea, coming up with the products, getting JVs, and actually. I've tried like 2 times to launch a product, but on each occasion they were all I was able to do. But after this training, I'm very sure I know where I missed it, and I know where to come in next time to attack it and to get the best out of it. And I really appreciate the fact where I was able to understand the part of partnering and having a JV, and also how you can gather a list without even launching any product. Actually, it has been an awesome experience for me, and I will advise anybody who is thinking of coming for the next one, it's worth the time and it's worth the money. So have a great time. Bye.